Hello and welcome. Could you tell us why you chose this country and why this specific institution?
Thank you for having me. So I chose UK because of its practical education system, and I chose the specific institution because it focuses on applied learning, which directly links with my current background.
So who will be funding your studies?
So basically, my parents will cover the tuition cost. Their combined income will pay for my tuition and also any additional payments.
All right, so how can we make sure that you'll return to your home country?
All right, so after graduating, I plan on returning to my home country and contribute to the consulting sector. And since my family work ties is directly linked to the digital operation, I think my contribution will be vital.
Thank you for your time.
የቪዛ ኢንተርቪው በቅርቡ ካላባችሁ እኛ ጋር የኦንላይን ልምምድ ኮርስ ለመውሰድ ባዮ ላይ ባለው የቴሌግራም ሊንክ ያገኙናል።